First, create a launcher of type activity result. Launcher of type is string, and if permission is granted, then simply create an object of context fragment and then replace it with frame layout, which we created in XML layout of activity. Not if permission is denied by user, then simply check if should show rational for read context permission is true or not, and if yes, then simply show the alert dialog. And now we will create an alert dialog box, which we will have a positive button on click of which we simply launch the permission launcher again. Now we set up the click listener on fetch context fab button, and inside that we simply call the permission launcher for read context permission. And after that we set up the binding for our context fragment by inflating the view and then returning it binding dot root inside on create view function. And after returning it, we just need to set up the recycler view in the on view created function. We are setting up the layout manager and adapter on the recycler view. Now we need to implement the content adapter, and here I am using list adapter, which have similar features as a recycler view but with diffutil. And now we created the view holder class and contact diffutil, which we pass here. And now we will implement the member functions of recycler view also, list adapter basically. So on create view holder and on bind view holder, as you already know about that already, I'm assuming here. Now create a view by inflating the view of the particular card and then pass it to the view holder class, and then get the item of the using the particular position and then pass it to the bind view function. Now bind view function we will implement in the view holder class, and here we get the parameter as contact object basically. And now using the contact object we get the data of name and number actually. Now we get the list of contacts using contact manager or get contact list, and in contact manager class I'm gonna implement one function of get contact list basically. And for that we need to create a context variable which is equals to the mutable list of basically and of type contact. And after that we need to create a cursor of basically, which is context dot application content resolver dot query object really. And by this query we will get the context phone dot content URI, and using that we are just iterating through the that particular cursor by using it dot move to next function. And after that we will fetch the two values phone and number, and if those are greater than equal -1, then we will simply fetch the string value of those. Okay, now add it to the contact list by simply creating a new object of contact model class by providing the name and number, and then simply return the whole contact list from that particular function. Now where we call this get context function, simply go to there in which create context fragment basically, and now passing the context here, and simply you can see now we need to create an object of adapter class also. So simply create an object of adapter class by using where adapter equals to new simply contact adapter, and then pass it to the adapter here. And now simply using that adapter dot submit list, pass the list to that submit list, and we are good to go now. Now simply contact adapter changing and renaming it, and here contact adapter dot submit list, and pass the list which we get from the get context function. This is it for this video. If you like this video, click like button. If you have any questions, then comment it below. Subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon. See you in the next one. Bye bye.